Hi, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. I'm going to show you how to quickly create an infrared photography effect from your landscape photos. For your convenience, I provided this photo that you could use for this project. Its link is in my video's description or project files. The first step is to make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. We'll invert the copy by pressing Ctrl or Command I. Change its blend mode to color. Right now, the blue channel and the red channel of our image are inverted, so we'll revert them back by clicking the adjustment layer icon and clicking Channel Mixer. Open the red output channel. Make the red 0% and the blue 100%. Open the blue output channel. Make the red 100% and the blue 0%. To increase the infrared effect, we'll adjust the saturation of the red color. Open the Adjustments panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and Adjustments. Click Hue Saturation. Open the list of colors and click Reds. For this image, let's drag the hue to -30 to make it pinker and drag the saturation to +20. This is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Thanks for watching.